Hello everybody. Today we will convert metric units of mass. So when we're converting customary units of measurement, we talked about weight. Mass and weight are not the same. And I assigned a short video that explains the difference between mass and weight. Our base unit of measurement for mass is a gram. Now a gram weighs about as much as a paperclip. The other two measurements that we use commonly to measure mass is kilogram, which is 1,000 grams, and milligram, which is 1,000th of a gram. This is a super small measurement, so you wouldn't be using it in everyday life. You'd be using it if you were a scientist or in medicine or another field where you need to measure very accurately. So let's look at this first problem. We have 925 grams, and we need to change it or convert it to milligrams. So milligram takes 1,000 of them to make 1 gram. So we're going to have to add or multiply by 1,000. This would be 925,000 milligrams. So now let's solve 19,000 grams equals how many kilograms? We're going from a smaller measurement, grams, to a larger measurement, kilograms. So now we have to divide it by 1,000. So 19,000 divided by 1,000 is going to be 19. Another way to look at it is we have 19,000 grams, so that'd be 1,900 decagrams, which would be 190 hectograms, which is 19 kilograms. Now let's try another one. 1 million milligrams equals how many kilograms? We're going to divide by a million, so 1 million divided by a million is 1 kilogram. And on a chart we could show this. 1 million milligrams would equal 100,000 centigrams, which would be 10,000 decigrams, which would be 1,000 grams, which would be 100 decameters, which would be 10 hectometers, which is 1 kilogram. So let's compare these two numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So we have 8 kilograms, when we're comparing to 9,000 grams. If I take my 8 kilograms and convert it to grams, then I could tell which one's larger. Now I know when I'm going from larger units to smaller units, I need to multiply. I got to multiply this by 1,000, so this is going to become 8,000. Another way I could show that is 8 kilograms is 80 hectograms, which is 800 decagrams, which is 8,000 grams. Now that makes it really easy to tell that 9,000 grams is larger than 8 kilograms. Now it's your turn to try some. So give it a try in the Go Formative, and good luck.